Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist, trip computer, power windows, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.